Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm going to be discussing about the topic osmosis. If you guys want to learn more about the transport of substances through the cell membrane, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic osmosis. So before going to the topic osmosis, what do you mean by diffusion? So diffusion is nothing but it's the movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. So what do you mean by osmosis? Osmosis is the diffusion of water molecules. So coming to the definition of osmosis. So osmosis is the net movement of water molecules from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. And the most abundant substance that passes through the cell membrane is nothing but it's the water molecules. In normal conditions, the amount of water molecules that passes in both directions are balanced precisely. However, under certain conditions, a concentration difference of water molecules can develop across the cell membrane. So when this concentration difference for water molecules develops, the water molecules will move from an area of higher concentration towards an area of lower concentration through the cell membrane. And this causes the cell to either swell or to shrink, depending upon the movement of water molecules. So, see this figure? You can see on the left side, water molecules are present, and that too in higher concentrations. On the right side, you can see sodium chloride solution. Here, water molecules are lower in concentration. So, what will happen here? In this case, so here water molecules are greater in concentration on the left side. You can see water molecules are greater in concentration. Here water molecules are lesser in concentration. So water molecules will move from this area of greater concentration towards the area of lower concentration. And this is known as diffusion of water molecules. And this is nothing but osmosis. So that covers the topic osmosis. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.